Well, there it is. The cedar. But it ain't happening today. Let me show you why. Y'all know what a toad strangler is? Well, we've had one. It has rained for the past 2 days here. And I knew when I got that broke up, I thought, boy, I'd like to plant that. But I'm gonna wait on that new cedar. But guess what? I'm gonna get to wait a while longer. Because it has come a rain. And it looks like Fred's been in here digging in the raised beds again. We're gonna have to put a stop to that. I think we may have to put a little electric fence in there or something to stop that. But you have to do what you have to do. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate Old School giving me a shout out on sending him that chili sauce. Enjoy that, my friend. And you will, I'll promise you. I told him I had it on my scrambled eggs this morning. It's pretty good. But anyway, as you can see, we can't garden today. And can't plow, can't do anything in the garden today. So I've got some things around the house that I need to get done. And some things I've been putting off. So I'm gonna kind of take you along on a little repair project I got going on. You guys see that right there? Yep. You ever wonder how to fix one of them? Well, I'm not a plumber, but I play one in real life. And I'm going to show you how to put new seals and the new bushings and stuff in this faucet. That's only been in there since 1994, so I think I got my money's worth out of it. But it's been dripping for a little while now, and you can see it's a pretty good drip. And as you well know, they don't give that water away. So we're gonna go turn the water off, and I'm gonna show you how to take this thing apart and fix that little drip. All right. I think you guys can see that. Hope you can anyway. Real simple. We've turned the water off. So you can see how loose that is. That's your problem right there. And I mean, my gosh, it's been here since 1994. What do we expect, right? And as you can hear the gun range over there, we have a gun range over that direction from us, and that handle, there it goes. Real simple. Got a couple nuts on here, you can see. This one takes the stem out, which we'll have to take off when we get it off, but that's okay. It'll come out the back side. And then you've got a bigger nut on here. That takes the whole stem out. What these are frost proof. And these go back into your wall back here. And they keep you from freezing in the winter time. And we need that around here. I may have to go get a socket for this. Yeah, I'll have to go get a socket. Turn you off, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Go get this socket. Get on there. They make a tool for this, but it's a 1 inch. And I don't have a deep well handy. So, take that breakover bar. here you go. You see this right here? Sorry. See that? That's why she's leaking right there. It's all eat up. And we're going to replace that. I'll show you how to replace these. And there's some bushings in here. I may just replace the whole thing. I don't know. I'm gonna go see what they cost now. And may just do the whole thing. But generally what I do is I just take and you can take these apart, and you see there's a seal in there. This seal here is completely gone. But see how loose it is? I think probably what I'll do, I'll just replace this whole thing. But I'll go get that and I'll show you that when I get back. Folks, right here is why we need to, another reason we need to get away from China. You can't buy a stem anymore, just the stem part. You got to buy the whole thing, which is okay. But I guarantee you, I hadn't even looked yet, and I guarantee you this thing is made in China and it's a piece of junk. We got people in this country that can make this stuff. Of course, I know nobody wants to work, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Look how many languages we got on there. This is America. Aggravates me. But anyway, hey, we're going to take the stem out of this one and put it back. But before we do that, guess what? You know what today is? Sonic 50-cent corn dog day. I hope y'all got a Sonic wherever you're at, because they run these every now and then for 50 cents. And before I tackle all that mess, I'm going to tackle some of this. No luck. Will not do it. Far, far off. So, I got one place. There's a place in Fort Smith called Wall Rods Hardware. If anybody in this world's got it, he's got it. If he don't, I'm gonna have to make some parts, but I bet I can do it. Folks, if you live around here and you can't find something, there's where to go. I couldn't find a replacement, but we rebuilt that one. All right, what we done is we put a new seal back here on this, on the back side. A little rubber. They used to be leather. Telling you how old I am. And then we put a seal in here, a stem seal in this little part right here. Got a little Teflon tape. All we're going to do is going to reverse the process. This stuff don't have to be super tight. You hear that seal back in there sealing up. Basically hand tight. If that water quits coming out of there. Haha, look at there. I like that. I like it. No more drippy. Hey, now you know how to fix a freeze-proof. Get it out in a minute. Freeze-proof faucet. Easy a caveman can do it. Like I said, I'm not a plumber, but I play one in real life. Hope this helps somebody out. Just got a phone call from a preacher in Rochester, New York. That little transmitter video that we put on to show you how to FM transmit your church service. Preacher from Rochester, New York just called me wanting some information. These videos we put on here for a reason. We want to help people out. I want to leave something for my kids and my grandkids. You know, someday they might need to know how to fix a faucet, and they go, hey, we'll go to old Paul's channel over there, and we can fix this faucet. This will all belong to them one of these days. Hey, God bless you. I appreciate all y'all that's been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate old school James over there for giving me a shout out. I've had a flood of new people come in, and I really appreciate it. Subscribe and like. See you next go around.